What's going on? CC Winans, Holy Forever. This song is dope. All right, so it's very easy. I'm gonna teach you a way to play this where you barely have to move your fingers around. Okay, so we're not gonna be all over the keys over here and over here, but it's still gonna sound very pretty, very nice. Okay, now let's start with the intro though. Intro's so simple. It's as follows. That's it. All right, so might sound complicated to you or not, but look, it's all it is. It's a D minor chord and a C chord. That's it. So if you know a D minor chord, C chord, you got the intro. It's just going. That's a D minor chord to the C chord. Okay, that's it. And then the left, that's the right hand. The left hand's just going. After the D, you play B flat, F, B flat. On that part, when you hit the F, you hit D's in your left. So D's in your left, F's in your right, then C's in your left, G's in your right. Okay? So again. And play that C chord. Now you got A's in your left. Then round it up. Okay, on this ending one, the F's in the right, and then you play B flat, F, and B flat in your left. Or you could just play octaves, B flat, make it easy. Then you go to this chord. And that's the start. 1,000 generations. Now, this chord's easy. I'm going to teach you this chord in the verses. All right, so verses, oh my goodness. You're going to be able to keep your finger grouping so close with this song. It's ridiculous. All right, so this is how we're going to do it. We're going to start on the F. 1,000 generations falling down in worship to sing a song of ages to the Lamb. That's the entire verses. Verse 1, verse 2. All the verses in the song play that chord progression. Now, what am I doing? How am I playing it so simple? Look at what I'm doing. Look at the finger grouping. I'm going to play F like this. Get this F chord down. Once you have this F chord down, you're playing so many different things. So F, A, D, and F. Okay, keep that. So 1,000 generations. To get to falling, the B flat, falling down in worship, all I'm doing is moving this A to the B flat chord in my right hand. And then I'm playing a B flat in my left. So 1,000 generations falling down and back to the F chord. Worship. To sing a song of, right? To sing. All I'm doing with this D chord is I'm keeping this F chord we just learned. Keep the F chord we just learned in your right hand and then play D's in your left hand. Okay? To sing a song of ages. Ages, the C, the chord we played on the intro to round it up. Ages. All I'm doing is keep this F chord, right? For the C chord, all I'm going to do is take this A chord and move it to the B flat. So I got an F, B flat, C, and F in my right hand. and then I'm playing C in my left hand. Sing a song of ages to the Lamb. Back to the B flat. Now, to go to the B flat from the C chord, all I gotta do is take the C and move it over to the D. And now I have it. And play a B flat in my left. It's that simple. That's the verses. You're gonna notice that a lot of these chords are the same chords for the choruses and the pre-choruses. So let's get to it. Your name is the highest. Your name. Okay. The pre-chorus kind of acts as a bridge later on, I believe. But let's get to it. So your name is that B flat. Your name is the highest. Your name. Okay, what am I doing? Your name is the highest. D minor. Your name. C is the greatest. Your name. D minor stands above them all. And it just repeats. All thrones and dominions, all powers and positions, your name, D minor stands above them all. We're going to end on the G minor 7 for that pre-chorus. That's the new chord. But peep this. My right hand's just playing that B flat chord we just learned, right? The B flat chord we just learned. And I'm playing a G in my left. That gets you that G minor. Okay? So again, your name is the highest. Your name is the greatest. Your name stands above them all. And the manions, all powers and positions, your name stands above them all. Okay. And then we're gonna go to the chorus, which is the last part. That's all you need to learn, and you got the whole song. The chorus, and the angels cry. Okay. And the angels cry. B flat. Holy. Okay, what am I doing? And the angels cry, B flat. Ho, D minor. C. All creation cries. This is a new chord we haven't learned yet. All creation cries. It's just the A minor. Okay? We're just going to go to this A minor right here. A in the left. E. A, C, E in the right. Or you could play it A, E in the left hand. However you play it. Just play A minor. And go back to that D chord. So all creation cries, holy, you are lifted high. Okay, G minor 7, you are lifted high. Is that G minor 7 we learned? Holy, holy forever. And that's the song. Okay? Again, chorus. Quick. Okay? And the angels cry. Holy, all creation cries. Holy, you're lifted high. Holy, holy forever. I wish I could sing, dude. If I could sing it, it would be 10 times better. But you get the point. So, if I were you, I would learn these chords and keep the grouping simple, and it will become easy. Okay? Recap on chords. F. Just learn these. Pause the video. Hijack these chords. Then B flat. minor chord. I just play a D minor 7. I don't know if they do that. And then I play C7 sus because it sounds different. I like to be different. You know what I mean? I don't like to be the same. And then you want to learn the A minor chord because there's A minor in there. And then you want to learn G minor 7. And that's it. You have the entire song. So, guys, subscribe. I'm telling you, I'm dropping videos. My sound quality, I'm working on. I need to get some more money, but I'm working on getting equipment and stuff to make my sound quality the best of the best. And I'm dropping free stuff. Like I'm gonna just I'm trying to build a beginner slash intermediate tutorials and lessons and put it online completely for free. Like really just teach people for free. I'm never gonna charge. You won't ever see me charging online for stuff. So subscribe, stay tuned. I just started doing this stuff because I love piano, but would love to hear y'all feedback and everything. So yeah, subscribe, comment below if you subscribed. Peace.